Welcome to today's edition of Job of the Day by JMJ Phillip Executive Search, a leading executive search firm specializing in manufacturing, supply chain, and technology sectors. The date is July 27th, 2023. Today's Job of the Day is an electrical engineer opening in the greater Atlanta area. Some of the job's responsibilities include designing industrial electrical power distribution systems, primarily in industries such as food and beverage, pharmaceutical, and nutraceutical. Project planning and collaboration with multidisciplinary engineering design teams, assisting with the design of new facilities and systems from conceptual design, specifications, budgeting, scheduling, and commissioning, as well as producing single-line diagrams, equipment layouts, and capital estimates. The position's requirements are a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering, a professional engineering certification, a minimum of 5